ProSensor 710 Plus is the fastest, easiest, most accurate stud finder on the market. To operate, simply press and hold the button. Then, place it on the wall and go. There's no calibration procedure. You can instantly find studs. Once you have it on the wall, the LEDs show you right where the stud is. When you move the unit back and forth, the ProSensor 710 Plus continues to track the location of a stud, which makes it easy to instantly see the edges and the center of the stud. The ProSensor 710 Plus is the most accurate stud finder because it has more sensors. Other stud finders typically have only 1 or 2 sensors. The ProSensor 710 Plus has 13. It can find stud positions with unbeatable precision. With the 710 Plus, you can also see the full width of studs, which will help to identify wider objects such as 4x4s or double studs. The ProSensor 710 Plus also features a built-in bubble level and an integrated ruler to make it the perfect tool for many projects, ranging from hanging and leveling pictures to installing cabinets and flat-screen TVs. The ProSensor 710 Plus is made in the USA and is undoubtedly the best product of its kind. This stud finder will quickly become your favorite.
Welcome to Zircon headquarters in sunny California. You know, the success of your project depends on using the right tools and techniques to find studs but avoid hidden hazards like plumbing and live electrical wires. Let me introduce you to the Zircon MultiScanner 740 center finding wall scanner. There are 4 scanning modes plus wire warning detection, and it features a unique floating head design to help make scanning for studs easier. Just like any of your personal electronic devices, the MultiScanner 740 is loaded with technology that requires a fully charged battery. Make sure you're using a new 9-volt battery with an extended expiration date. You probably noticed that this product looks different from the other multi-scanners that are one-piece designs, and this has the floating head design. And the reason that makes it easier for finding studs is that you don't have to think about putting it up against the wall and then pressing the button and holding the button. With this one, as soon as we press it against the wall, it turns it on. And as we slide, it's going to show us actually 7 stages of stud finding. So there it's showing us we're getting close to the edge. There's the edge, past the edge. There's the center, and I'm going to use the marking system here, and I'm going to mark that center, past the center, the next edge, past the edge, and then done. Now, sometimes when using the MultiScanner 740, you may need to switch into high sensitivity mode, which is a deeper scanning mode, and that would be true of a wall like this, which is 2 pieces of drywall, which is a firewall. So to get into the high sensitivity mode, we're going to go ahead and press it in twice, and now the word stud blinking on the screen indicates that we are in high sensitivity mode. Slide it along, and the 4 center bars indicates the center of the stud. You'll notice in this mode we do not get the spotlight, and we only have 1 signal strength bar if this is a really deep target. Also, if you happen to start right over a stud and move away, this has auto-correcting technology. You see that arrow? It's telling me to go back. It recalibrated on the fly and goes back and finds the stud. Additionally, wire warning detection lets me know there are live unshielded wires when scanning. The metal scan mode can also help you determine if you have wood studs or metal studs. So I've got the unit now in metal scan mode. Turn it on. And on a wood stud, we're only going to find metal where there's screws. And that helps you verify that you found a wood stud with drywall screws in it. But on a metal stud, it gives us a big metal reading, the whole vertical width of the stud. So we know that's a metal stud. MultiScanner 740 also has its own dedicated AC scan mode. In this mode, the LCD display screen indicates when the tool is moving closer to or away from the source of the voltage. This will also help you identify and avoid where wires track through the walls. All these features are built into the MultiScanner 740 to help you efficiently maneuver through even your most difficult projects with the professional confidence that comes from owning a Zircon.
Hello everyone, this is Sabrina and I'm from NOYAFA. Today I will introduce you with our stud finder in F518S to you. During the decoration process, some customers need to drill a hole in the wall. In that situation, in F518S can play an important role in the whole process. Using this product, customers can detect any hidden metal, power cable and wood in the wall so that they can get a clear understanding about the situation under the concrete and avoiding any potential risk and damage. So about this product, we have several functions, so I'm gonna tell you one by one. The first function is detecting invisible metal wood in the wall behind the ceiling. 2. Take measurement for distance, area, volume, and also Pythagorean system. 3rd, 12 testing modes for different usage scenario. 5th, digital level function. 6th, easy and intelligent testing. I hope this information will help you to get to know more about this product. Thank you.
Bosch Measuring Tools is the worldwide leader in laser measuring and leveling technology, increasing productivity on the job site every day. This is the Bosch GMS 120 wall scanner that is used for interior detection of wood, metal, and electrical wires in floors and walls. The GMS 120 is a single tool that can detect and locate wood studs, metal objects, and electrical wiring in any wall or floor at up to 4 3/4 inch deep, depending on wall material type. To ensure worry-free accuracy, the GMS 120 self-calibrates once the tool begins detection and continuously self-calibrates during detection. The GMS 120 provides easy-to-view and understandable information. The large illumination ring changes color to green for no object found, orange for object near, red for object found within sensor range. The tool pinpoints the center of the object and has a convenient marking hole for leaving reference marks. The easy-to-view LED screen shows more detailed information, such as mode of operation, strength of signal, and type of material found. The GMS 120 comes with a belt pouch and battery. Experience the productivity of the GMS 120 wall scanner on your project.